Hi everyone, I am Navaneeth Krishnan. I am a wildlife photographer, and in this video we are going to see how to select or reject your image. This is a common problem that is faced by most of the photographers. You have a lot of images and you don't know which one to select and which one to reject. I would say you should be genuine to yourself. You should know which one to reject and which one to select, and nothing else can be done if you want all your photographs with yourselves. But there is a small feature in Lightroom that helps you with selecting and rejecting of your images. Once you select your images, and then you can select them and bring them aside from the rejected images and then use them for processing later. So let's see how to do that. Once you have imported all the images that you want to your library module, once you have done that, you click on the first image, rather double click for an embedded preview. Once you reach this page, you have a pick and a reject flag at the bottom. You pick the image you feel you need and reject the images which you feel you do not need. It's completely based on your opinion. Let's take a look at the other options that are present below. You can go ahead and rate the images, flip the image, draw a face. Actually, face mark a person and tag through which you can accept and reject as well. Return back to the grid view and select on the attributes. Now you go to the flag column, right click and select on the rejected photos. Now let's say you want to delete all these images from the catalog. So select all of them and right click. At the bottom, click on remove photos, and now you have two options: remove, delete from disk. Remove, which removes the file from the catalog. Delete from disk, that removes all the files from the catalog as well as from the entire system. I would recommend you to go ahead with remove and not with delete from disk, as you would need the photographs at some later point of time. You will not be able to have it with you. So if you remove just from the catalog, that will help you from having a chunk of photos in your catalog, and you can go ahead with a happy processing. Thank you for watching this video. We'll come up with more amazing videos. Until then, stay tuned and follow me on Instagram.